we're going to be talking about how multiplying things by an LCD can help cancel things. So we're going to really focus on the canceling here. So here, this is our LCD, and we're going to look into how these would cancel. So really, this is just x plus 2 and x plus 3 over 1. So like last unit, we're going to cancel the thing this way. We can only cancel when something's in the numerator and when something's in the denominator. If we look here, and this x plus 2 cancels. This x plus 3's cancel. And then I'm just left with 1 here. So 1 over 1. And then, okay, let's take a look at another example. So what if this time we had 1 over x plus 2, and we multiplied it by, let's keep the same LCD, like this. All right, and then here's our LCD right here. Now we're going to look at how things cancel for this. Okay, well, this is actually just over 1. So I can cancel when they're the same, and one's in the numerator, and then one's in the denominator. So I look, well, these x plus 2's can cancel, but this time, we can't cancel the x plus 3. So we're left with 1 times x plus 3, because that's what we're left with, over 1. So we have 1 x plus 3 over 1, and then this is really just x plus 3. There is our answer for that one. Okay, so let's do one more. This one, let's say we had x over x plus 3 times, we'll keep the same LCD. Okay, so here's our LCD. When we're multiplying, remember this is just over 1. We can cancel when one's on the numerator, one's on the denominator, so that cancels. So I notice that I can cancel these x plus 3's here, like this. Now here we have to be very careful with what's left over. Well, we have this x left over, and we have this x plus 2 left over. So while we're multiplying, here we're multiplying, so we have to continue to multiply. So now I'm left with x times x plus 2. Which is just really x plus 2. Well, here I notice I can distribute this x in, so I'm going to do so. Distribute, then I get x squared plus 2x. Okay, so let's look at another one. So here I'm going to have 1 over x plus 2 times, we'll keep the same LCD, x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, here's our LCD right here. Remember, this is just over 1. Now we'll look for things to cancel. Okay, so I notice these x plus 2's cancel. Great, now we'll see what we're left with. Well, I'm left with this whole x plus 1 and the x plus 3. Okay, well, these are multiplied. What I'm left with is x plus 1 times x plus 3 over 1, which is just x plus 1, x plus 3. Well, here I can double distribute these. So now I have done each one. So I get x squared plus 3x plus 1x plus 3. Combine my terms, I get x squared plus 4x. Okay, so we'll do one more. So let's say we had x plus 4 plus 3 multiplied by my LCD. Keep that the same. Okay, here's my LCD here. 1. Okay, now go ahead, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Alright, welcome back. So let's look for things to cancel. So I noticed that these x plus 3's cancel. Awesome, then we see that I'm left with this x plus 4, and then this x plus 2. Okay, we're multiplying. We need to multiply those together. We have x plus 4 times x plus 2, 1. This is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 2. Double distribute both of these. We get x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. Combine like terms, we get x squared plus 6x